Tired of staring at a blank screen? Wrestling with code that just won't cooperate? GitHub Copilot is here to transform your coding experience. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have an active GitHub Copilot subscription. You can start with a free trial. If you're new to the tool, navigate to the GitHub Copilot website and follow the prompts to activate your subscription or start your free trial. Next, install the GitHub Copilot extension in your preferred IDE. For VS Code, head to the extensions marketplace and search for GitHub Copilot. Click install. The process is similar for other supported IDEs like Visual Studio, NeoVim, and JetBrains. Now, let's see Copilot in action. Open a new or existing code file. Start typing a comment describing what you want the code to do. Copilot will analyze your comment and provide intelligent code suggestions in grayed out text. To accept the suggestion, simply press the Tab key. Copilot can also generate entire code blocks based on context. Experiment with different prompts and coding styles to see Copilot's adaptability. Copilot isn't just for code completion. It can also provide suggestions for documentation, tests, and more. Remember, Copilot is a tool to assist you, not replace you. Always review and understand the generated code before committing it, and that's it. You're now equipped to supercharge your coding with GitHub Copilot.